All right, happy 4th of July, ladies and gentlemen. I thought it would be fitting for her to be back there playing with a sparkler while I open Surging Sparks. See if you can write your name. Come over here. This way. Yeah, it's supposed to do that. You just twirl it around. Yeah, come this way. Here we go. We're starting off with Mesprit, Scatterbug, Bouffalant, Phoebus, Duskball, Ho-Oh, Culberberry, Heliolisk. Ooh, a Dug Trio and a Landris. Yeah, full art.
It's a full art?
Yeah, look at this.
Wow.
Yeah, what a pull. I think it has to do with the special luck because this is Surging Sparks and you are making sparks right now.
Sparks.
What a cool, happy, Independence Day pull. That is sick. Anyway, thanks for watching. I'm going to get into joining her on some fireworks.